One of the features included with ASAP is the Breault Light Source Library. The Breault Light Source Library consists of a wide array of sources that are accurately modeled both physically as well as radiometrically. Information about the Light Source Library is available on the Breault webpage. Just search through the software to find the Light Source Library. The Light Source Library allows you to import source models that include the physical geometry and optical properties, as well as information about the radiometric distribution of light from these sources. This allows you to very accurately model both the near-field and far-field performance of these sources. If there is a source you need that is not currently available in the library, there's a feedback form available on this web page where you can submit a request to have a source modeled. This is a list of some of the sources that are currently available. Many of them are filament-based sources, typically used in the automotive industry. There's also a wide array of light-emitting diodes, as well as some arc sources and some cold cathode fluorescents, CCFL tubes. All of these are available to any user of ASAP or our ReflectorCAD product.